shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
So this is probably the cleanest Mini Cooper I've ever seen in my life. Like, this is literally showroom quality, top G in the car world. This right here, I mean, pause truck. I mean, who cares? It's pause truck. Let's just trash it. Shout out Whistling Diesel. Go check his YouTube channel out. He makes the best content ever. Like, that would be so fun, just trashing a G-Wagon. Like this dude did. Monster Max has competition. That thing literally looks not real. I mean, either or, they're both rowdy. I mean, what's it like owning a pre-emissions diesel truck? You tell me. The bed looks sick. At first I thought it was just like mud, but that's like actually like a paint job. That's tough. Corvette wants all the smoke. Like, that thing is absolutely filthy. You know, for a 8,000-pound truck, that thing is getting down. Although the roads are wet, but still, that thing, that's nasty. I am very entertained. I feel bad for the car though, but
turn the music up, turn me down.
that truck is absolutely rusty. I bet you his for sale ad says no rust. Harley driven. Never really hauled anything. Thing's ate up with rust. This had some great music in the background from 42 Doug, but his label does not like you posting his songs without his approval. So you'll hear me talk over this wonderful content right here. This game, not sure what this game is, but it looks fun. They even got a McDonald's. Before you know it, that's probably a Dollar General back there. And if this was in Kentucky, there'd definitely be a Mexican restaurant too. Imagine being so tooted you can't even open on your own hood because you're so short. I mean, pulling the wheels on a normal road like that is quite impressive. That's quite impressive too, to do that in such a little bit of space. Oh no, let's see. He should have just kept it gunned or kept it pinned. And now he's totaled. Unfortunate. I mean, at least it serves a purpose though.
Chicago thing.
I mean, if this was in an intersection, I would believe it a lot more. When you're bored on Forza, this is how you be like. Once again, when you're bored in Forza, this is what you do. Shout out Shots by Zai.
No way.
I would love to have an in-view or in-cabin view of that. I mean, that's like one of those things. It's like, what did you expect to happen? Drifting on like a floor that just got waxed. And like, what did you expect there? This is just expecting your engine to blow up pretty much. Like, not a lot of sense produced right there. I mean, at least the dash isn't cracked. The rest of the vehicle is cracked, though. I would love to know the in-cabin view of that steering wheel. Thing probably looks like it's got Parkinson's disease. You know, it looks like a lot of fun, but I literally cannot stand the snow.
Get a drift car, they said.
I mean,
It would be
he's
fun,
kind
they
of
said.
drifting.
Grenaded the dip.
But hope you guys enjoyed this brand new video. We are going strong. This is probably like day almost 60, or probably not quite 60, but at least 50. But hope you guys enjoyed the content. Until next time, peace out.